Hey, watch me transform this very plain slouch sock into this lovely, customized, blingy, trendy sock. Keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be embellishing these socks. I'm sorry, I already got started because the first portion of my video became corrupted and I couldn't fix it. So I'm using E6000 glue. Yes, this time I'm going to be gluing some pieces onto the socks. I'm trying a different approach just to see how that works for me. So I'm using E6000 glue because we all know E6000 don't play when it comes to being on fabrics. And I've just added a few to the front of the sock. I just turned it around on the side. Now I'm turning it upside down to the back so I can add a few. This is like a water drop, teardrop type of rhinestone. I like to call it chunky bling. So I'm adding these, I'm spacing them out. The only thing, I guess, pro with this is that you can actually wash these and these won't come off. I think if you put a nice dime size amount or smaller, it won't come off. However, I'm still gonna make some brooches. So I made this bear. I have some shorts on my channel showing you how to make the bear. The bear mold is available on Amazon. These are for a friend of mine's daughter for picture day. And my friend told me that her daughter was going to be wearing green, white, and blue. So that's why I chose these colors to use. I also made some glitter domes, which are really cute charms. And it's a great way to really customize based on the color that your customer is going to be wearing. There's also another flat charm that I made. This is the glitter dome right here. If a few seconds ago the video was freezing up, I'm not sure what that's about. So hopefully it kind of worked itself out after I finalized this video. I really like these glitter domes. I actually just added, I'm going to be adding a couple sets of these glitter domes to my website, myroyalradiance.com. This is another brooch that I made. So if you want to wash your socks, because a lot of people ask that question, what you'll do is just remove all your brooches, the ones that are removable. If you have some that are glued on, I would do a gentle hand wash. I think a gentle hand wash would be perfect. And that way you don't have to worry about things getting too just wild in the washing machine. And then just let them air dry. And then there's another charm that I'm going to be adding, or it may already be on here. It's just flat and has rhinestones on it. I made it blue and I made it green by just taking a Sharpie on the back of a acrylic disc. I'll have a link to where you can purchase the things to make your own gems, your own brooches. I like to use those acrylic discs from Amazon. They're 1 inch, 25 millimeter disc. Then you take a 20 millimeter bar pen to go across the back. And I like to use Bob Smith glue to do that so everything locks in very good. So I wanted to try something different with the glue because I have been seeing some really cute socks with like patches on them, the letters to like maybe an initial on them. So I'm like, okay, let me just test this glue out and just see how this goes. I knew eventually I was going to start gluing some things and some decor onto the socks. I still like the brooches. However, I do want to do a sock that just has everything glued on, you know, just to test the waters out and see how that goes. But I do still like the brooches. And I wouldn't go gluing these huge pieces on. I wouldn't. But you know, when you're doing DIYs and testing things out, I think you should try different things just to kind of see what works best for you. So that blue one right there with the rhinestones on, I put blue Sharpie on the back of it, and I just added some blue rhinestones just to kind of see how that will look. I think it came out pretty cute, but I really like the domes. Those glitter domes are just so adorable. I have so many different glitters, and I feel like y'all got a lot of glitter too. I just like glitter, and I have so many. So making these little domes was like perfect, because you can really just get very creative with these slouch socks, and I think that's the really cute thing about them. I think that's why they're so popular too. So I'm almost finished. These socks are really long, so I have them scrunched up in a way to where, because I don't want you to think everything's just all on top of each other, because it's not. These socks are actually really long. I got them off Alibaba.com. So I bought like a little bulk order of them. So these are really good and pretty thick. I like them. So I'm almost finished, you guys. Okay guys, here is the final finished result of these junk socks, slouch socks, charm socks, whatever you want to call them. They have many different names, but I think these turned out really cute. So I did allow them to fully dry at least 24 hours before I dropped these socks off to my friend for her daughter. And they were locked on really well. You just want to make sure you use a decent amount for whatever size gem that you're going to be using. If you're going to go with a smaller pearl or a smaller rhinestone, so the pearls that I use, these are pretty big. I want to say they're 10 or 12 millimeter. When you put your glue on, you don't want to go too heavy, because you're going to have to press on your pearl a little bit, and the glue will ooze on the outside. Now, you can get away with doing that with white socks, but if your sock is like a darker color, like black or blue or something, then you'll have like that gluey stain, and you don't want that. But these came out really cute. And my friend's daughter is 9 years old, and she really did like her socks. I'm assuming that she wore a skirt on picture day. Yeah, I'm assuming she wore a skirt, but people are wearing these with skirts. They're wearing them with dresses. They're wearing them with tennis shoes, high and low top. A pair that I made for myself, I wore them with like a combat boot, you know, and I just had them kind of pulled up because, like I said, these socks are really long, and it was just really cute. These socks are really cute, and I just love how creative you can get with them. And again, I do have some brooch sets available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. And then you can also just make your own brooches. I have videos showing you how to make your own brooches. Or you can just order them wherever you want to order them from. But I like the idea of the pearls being spread out on the sock. I like the idea of the larger size gems. I like the sock looking nice and full. I really do like that. So thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope that you did find it helpful. And I hope you got maybe some cool ideas from it. Again, that bare mold, I use UV resin. So you will need the lamp for that to cure. That mold is on Amazon. Now, I ordered it years ago. So I don't know if that same exact one is on there, but they do have some bare molds on there. I'll try to make sure I do have a link in the description area. So again, thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, subscribe if you want to this channel. If you do, hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.